Good morning. I thought I'd do a cold start on the Chrysler. Today's a Sunday. I last drove it last Monday. Took it back from oil change and that kind of stuff. It's, completely cold. Has not been running for a bunch of days. Two pumps to the floor, and then I hold it halfway. The way everything works, it's really cool in the cold light, which you'll see on there for a while. And anyway, always starts. Vacuum gauge for mileage is the funniest thing I ever saw. Original. Completely useless, but fun. I'll do that when I'm outside because I'm in the barn here. We'll let her get warmed up. She'll smooth right out. And we'll take her for a test drive. Thanks, everybody.